Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will discuss 10 common AC error codes that technicians frequently encounter. Modern inverter air conditioners use sensors and control boards to detect faults and display error codes. These codes help technicians identify problems quickly and reduce troubleshooting time. Keep in mind that exact code meanings can vary between brands, but the following explanations cover the most common interpretations used by many manufacturers. Error code 1, E1, communication error. E1 usually indicates a communication problem between the indoor and outdoor units. This can happen because of loose wiring connections, damaged communication cables, incorrect wiring, or a faulty control board. The first step is to inspect the communication wire and verify that all connections are secure. Error code 2, E2, indoor coil sensor fault. E2 often points to a problem with the indoor evaporator temperature sensor. If the sensor becomes disconnected, damaged, or gives incorrect readings, the AC may not control temperature properly. Technicians should check the sensor wiring and test the sensor resistance. Error code 3, E3, low pressure protection. E3 commonly appears when refrigerant pressure becomes too low. Possible causes include refrigerant leaks, restricted refrigerant flow, or poor system performance. A technician should inspect the system for leaks and verify refrigerant pressure using proper gauges. Error code 4, E4, compressor high temperature protection. E4 usually indicates that the compressor temperature has become too high. Dirty condenser coils, blocked airflow, refrigerant problems, or a faulty outdoor fan motor can contribute to this issue. Cleaning the condenser and checking airflow are important troubleshooting steps. Error code 5, E5, overcurrent protection. E5 often means the compressor or inverter system is drawing excessive electrical current. Voltage fluctuations, compressor problems, or inverter board faults may trigger this code. Electrical measurements should be performed carefully to identify the root cause. Error code 6, F1, indoor temperature sensor error. F1 generally indicates a fault with the room temperature sensor. Since the sensor helps regulate indoor temperature, incorrect readings can affect system performance. Checking sensor wiring and sensor resistance is usually the first diagnostic step. Error code 7, F2, evaporator coil sensor error. F2 commonly relates to the evaporator coil sensor. If the sensor fails, the control board may not receive accurate coil temperature information. Testing and replacing the faulty sensor often resolves the problem. Error code 8, P0, inverter module protection. P0 is one of the most common inverter AC error codes. It often appears when the inverter system detects abnormal operating conditions. Possible causes include low refrigerant charge, inverter board issues, electrical faults, or compressor problems. A complete system inspection may be required. Error code 9, P4, compressor discharge temperature protection. P4 usually indicates that the compressor discharge temperature has exceeded safe limits. Dirty condenser coils, refrigerant restrictions, low refrigerant charge, or poor airflow can cause this problem. The condenser coil and refrigerant system should be inspected carefully. Error code 10, H6, fan motor fault. H6 commonly indicates an indoor or outdoor fan motor problem. The fan may be running slowly, not running at all, or the motor feedback signal may be missing. Technicians should inspect the motor, capacitor, wiring, and control board connections. Why error codes are important? Error codes are designed to protect the air conditioning system from serious damage. Instead of guessing the problem, technicians can use the displayed code as a starting point for troubleshooting. However, an error code does not always identify the exact failed part. Proper testing and diagnosis are still necessary before replacing components. Conclusion? Understanding common AC error codes can help technicians diagnose problems faster and more accurately. Codes such as E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, F1, F2, P0, P4, and H6 often relate to communication issues, sensor faults, refrigerant problems, overheating, electrical faults, and fan motor failures. For HVAC students and beginner technicians, learning these codes is an important step toward becoming more confident in troubleshooting modern air conditioning systems. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HVAC educational videos, troubleshooting guides, and technician training content.